In the world of AI, the Model Context Protocol provides the tools and the hardware, but Anthropic Agent Skills provide the recipes. This open-source repository is the definitive manual for teaching AI agents exactly how to perform specialized, repeatable tasks. With over 104,000 stars as of March 2026, it has become the universal standard for scaling AI capabilities without overwhelming an agent's memory. The core of this project is a progressive disclosure architecture. Instead of cramming every instruction into a single prompt, skills are broken into 3 levels. Metadata tells the AI when a skill is needed. The instruction file provides the full logic only when relevant, and deep resources like Python scripts or templates are accessed on demand. This keeps interactions fast, accurate, and cost-effective. The repository includes production-grade skills for complex file handling, covering everything from professional PDFs to Excel and PowerPoint. It also features a built-in skill creator tool that interviews you about your workflow to automatically generate a structured and tested skill file for your specific needs. While built by Anthropic, this format has been adopted across the industry by tools like GitHub Copilot and Cursor. You can get started by installing skills directly through the Claude Code Marketplace or by using the official templates to build your own. By separating discovery from execution, Anthropic Agent Skills allows your AI to master thousands of specialized tasks, from cloud automation to cybersecurity. It is the essential framework for anyone building or using the next generation of AI agents. You can find the full specification and the example library at github.com/anthropics/skills. If this breakdown helped you understand the architecture behind the code, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it's the primary signal that tells YouTube this engineering content belongs in more developers' feeds. We're on a mission here at Blueprint Bytes to simplify the most complex systems. To join the build, hit subscribe. By joining us, you're making sure you never miss a deep dive into the open-source tools shaping the future. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one repository or engineering concept that's been living rent-free in your head lately? Drop a comment below. I use your suggestions to curate every single quick look we produce. Finally, if you know a fellow dev or student who's struggling with this topic, share this video. Let's keep engineering simple and accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next bite.